In this video, I'm going to compare Melio versus Quickbooks Payments. We'll look at each company in terms of their pricing, features, user experience, pros and cons, and more. So by the end of this video, you're going to have a better understanding of which one is best for you. And by the way, if you would like to sign up to either Melio or Quickbooks, make sure to use my links down in the description of this video. And with that in mind, let's get right into it. Let's kick things off with an overview. The evolution of online payment platforms has emerged as a boon for businesses, streamlining their financial transactions and ensuring a seamless money flow mechanism. Among the plethora of options available, Melio and Quickbooks Payments have particularly stood out, each carving its niche in simplifying payment processes for businesses. Melio emphasizes easy payable and receivable management with a keen focus on saving time and enhancing cash flow. Meanwhile, Quickbooks Payments, integrally tied with QuickBooks accounting software, focuses on an ecosystem that balances payment solutions with robust accounting features. Both platforms enable businesses to pay vendors, receive payments, and manage their transactions in a coherent and efficient manner. Let's now take a deeper look at the features of both companies, and we will start off with Melio. Versatility in payment methods. Melio stands apart with its ability to pay any vendor through multiple channels. Users can pay via bank transfers, debit cards, or credit cards. This versatility offers flexibility for businesses in selecting payment methods that suit their preferences and cash flow needs. Payment scheduling. One of Melio's standout features is the ability to schedule payments. This feature ensures that businesses can manage their cash flow efficiently, avoiding late payments and also allowing the delay of cash outflows until they're absolutely necessary. Mail a check. Recognizing that not all vendors are digital savvy, Melio offers a unique feature where it can mail a physical check on behalf of the user to vendors who still rely on traditional payment methods. Bill management. With Melio, users can manage their bills from one centralized location. This aids in keeping track of all payables and ensures that no bill is overlooked or forgotten. Vendor payment portal. Melio provides a portal where vendors can submit bills directly to businesses. This streamlines the invoicing process, ensures faster processing, and reduces the chances of invoice mishandling or loss. Mobile compatibility. Melio's mobile application ensures that business owners can manage and track payments on the go, vital for those always on the move or those who prefer mobile banking solutions. Features of Quickbooks Payments. Integrated invoicing. Being a part of the QuickBooks ecosystem, this platform offers seamless invoicing where businesses can create, send, track, and receive payments for invoices all within the same environment. Real-time updates. Any transaction made through QuickBooks Payments is automatically and instantaneously updated in the QuickBooks dashboard. This real-time synchronization ensures that the financial data is always up to date. Pay Now button. To enhance the convenience for clients, invoices sent through QuickBooks Payments have a Pay Now button. Clients can click on this button and directly pay either through credit card, direct debit, or ACH bank transfers. Multiple payment options. Besides card payments, QuickBooks Payments also accept ACH bank transfers, ensuring that businesses can offer varied payment methods to their clients. GoPayment mobile solution. QuickBooks Payments introduces GoPayment, a mobile point-of-sale app which lets businesses process credit card transactions using a mobile device. This is especially handy for businesses that operate on the move, like event organizers or service professionals visiting client locations. Seamless accounting integration. Perhaps its most compelling feature is the inherent integration with QuickBooks accounting software. This means every transaction doesn't just stop at payment processing. It integrates into a comprehensive accounting solution that includes tracking expenses, income, profitability, and detailed financial reporting. So what do other users have to say about both Melio and QuickBooks Payments? Users commend Melio for its intuitive design and straightforward user interface, which efficiently handles both accounts payable and receivable without any hitches. QuickBooks Payments is often praised for its seamless integration with accounting software, providing an all-encompassing financial management suite. Some users have pointed out its relatively steeper learning curve, but once mastered, QuickBooks Payments stands out in managing not only transactions, but also in aiding comprehensive financial tracking and reporting. Let's now take a deeper look at the pricing structures of both companies, and we will start off with Melio. Zero transaction fee. Melio firmly places itself as an extremely accessible option for businesses by providing a $0 transaction fee for payments made using a bank transfer, making it a particularly attractive option for businesses looking to minimize transaction costs. Credit card payments. When it comes to credit card payments, Melio imposes a fee of 2.9%. Thus, businesses can strategically leverage credit card payments to manage cash flow while also accruing any relevant card rewards, although this comes at a small cost. No monthly subscriptions. Melio steers clear of monthly subscription fees, making it financially viable for small businesses and startups. Without the obligation of a recurring fee, businesses only incur costs when opting for credit card payments. Vendor charges. It's crucial to note that vendors are not charged any fee when they receive payments through Melio. This further simplifies the payment reception process as it does not impose any additional financial burden on the receiving end. Payment structure of Quickbooks Payments. Pay-as-you-go model. Quickbooks Payments caters to businesses that do not wish to be bound by monthly commitments with its pay-as-you-go offering. This model involves no monthly fee, charging a 2.4% plus 25 cents per transaction for card payments and a 1% fee for ACH bank transfers, ensuring businesses only pay per usage. Monthly subscription for high volume. For businesses that experience high transaction volumes, Quickbooks Payments offers a subscription model at $20 per month, which in turn lowers the transaction fees to 1.6% plus 25 cents per card payment, providing cost effectiveness for frequent users. Seamless integration. Though not a direct pricing element, the seamless integration of QuickBooks Payments with its accounting software indirectly provides financial value by minimizing the need of separate accounting tools or additional integrations, thereby potentially saving on additional software or integration costs. Invoicing charges. QuickBooks allows free invoicing and the acceptance of ACH bank transfers at 1% per transaction, albeit with a cap of $10. This facilitates the businesses that manage a plethora of transactions, ensuring a capped, predictable fee. Mobile payment processing. For businesses opting to utilize the Go Payment mobile solution, the pricing aligns with the chosen plan, either the pay-as-you-go or the monthly subscription, ensuring consistency across all transaction mediums. Pros and cons. Melio is praised for its no-frills, straightforward approach to managing payments. With zero cost for bank transfers, it's an affordable option for businesses keen on keeping their overheads low. It's particularly user-friendly and does not chain businesses with monthly subscriptions, allowing pay-as-you-need flexibility. However, Melio's simplicity can also be its Achilles heel. It doesn't naturally mesh with accounting software, which could mean businesses juggling between platforms to manage their finances holistically. QuickBooks Payments scores high on providing a comprehensive financial management ecosystem, wrapping payments and accounting into one. Its seamless integration with QuickBooks software ensures that businesses can track, manage, and analyze their finances in one spot, enhancing coherence in financial management. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Some users find it slightly intricate to navigate due to its countless features, and while it provides varied pricing options, it might be on the pricier side for businesses with lower transaction volumes or those who only seek a straightforward payment solution. Other services. Besides the core payment services, both platforms augment their offerings with additional features. Melio provides a vendor payment portal that allows businesses to centralize their transactions, thereby simplifying payment tracking and management. Meanwhile, QuickBooks Payments, owing to its integration with QuickBooks, offers countless additional services like payroll management, inventory tracking, and detailed financial reporting, which provide an enriched one-stop solution for businesses aiming to manage multiple financial facets on a single platform. Alternatives. Exploring alternatives. Platforms like Square, Stripe, and PayPal come into the spotlight, each offering distinctive payment solutions. Square is renowned for its POS systems and e-commerce payment solutions, while Stripe excels with its robust API and online transaction capabilities. PayPal, a globally recognized platform, offers a wide array of payment solutions with extensive international reach and is often preferred due to its widespread acceptance and recognition. Conclusion. Navigating through the intricate pathways of digital payment platforms, both Melio and QuickBooks Payments have successfully etched their utilities for businesses. While Melio captivates with its simplicity and straightforwardness, QuickBooks Payments magnetizes users desiring an all-encompassing financial management ecosystem. Your choice between the two boils down to specific needs. If you're seeking a straightforward, easy-to-navigate payment platform, Melio could be your go-to. Conversely, for an in-depth financial management solution integrated with payment processing, QuickBooks Payments stands tall. It is imperative to align the choice with business size, transactional volume, and the depth of financial management required to extract optimal utility from these platforms. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.